What is going on? I'm Mike. This is All About Pressure Washing, where we talk all about pressure washing, all about soft washing, and all about the things that are going to make your business more money. So today I am about 4 hours from home. I'm up in North Georgia. I live in Savannah, and I am on the way home. Had a meeting this morning up here, and on the way home, I received a couple messages. One was for a residential house wash. The other was for a commercial job. I have the addresses, I have the contact information, I have everything that I need. So I look up the residential job and I determine what it's going to cost. It was about a 1,200 square foot house, and I sent the guy a text, said, "Hey, it's Mike. We can do it for," I think it was $300. Guy comes back, absolutely, love to get on the schedule. Boom. Send him a link, he schedules online, that one's on the books, easy. It'll take my tech about an hour to do that house. Highly profitable job. You take out your cost, your labor, you're making good money there. The next one was for a commercial property. And that commercial property, I look it up, I see the scope, able to determine what my cost is going to be, how long it's going to take. Text the guys just to confirm, say, "Hey man, you want the building, you want the sidewalks, is there anything else of concern? I see there's a little tower up front, you want that done as well?" He goes, "Wow, that's amazing. Yes, we want to quote on all of that and the playground equipment." Awesome. So, you know what I do? I sent him over a text, $4,600. I'm assuming this has to be done on the weekend. And he replies back, "Yeah, can you do it this weekend?" I said, "We're booked this weekend. We can do it next weekend." Awesome. Get us on the schedule. Can you send me a formal quote so I can issue you a PO? Absolutely. I'll do that when I get back in the office. It's that easy. And the reason that it's that easy is because I have systems in place to make it that easy. I have got the technology at my fingertips, so I can do this type of quoting without ever leaving my office or while I'm on the road. I'm a busy guy. I've got a lot of irons in the fire, and I honestly can't go and give quotes for every single job. Now, maybe if you're just starting out, that's something that you need to do, and you probably will need to do it because you need to learn what it's going to take to clean. I've been doing this for a long time, and because I've been doing this for a long time, I have refined my methods and my systems so well that they're foolproof. Every once in a while, someone will say, "Oh, there's no way you can do that." Absolutely there is. There is no reason, with the exception of, say, a $20,000 job, a $15,000 job, something huge where I feel like I need to go look at it. And jobs like that, I will 100% go and look at them in person because it's worth my time. But, a $300, $400, $500 house wash, I ain't getting out there. Can I upsell? Absolutely. I can upsell via email, via text, via phone. I can do this using my systems. I can do this with my software. Everything that I've implemented and created to make my business the most efficient, streamlined business possible makes it possible to never have to do an in-person quote. There is a bunch of guys out there, the guys that are out there trying to sell you classes and certifications. Come to my seminar, come to the convention, right? They don't want you to have this information. They need you not to have this information so they can sell you their bullshit. And guess what? I've teamed up with two amazing guys, Justin from Forever Self-Employed and Aaron Parker from the Lean and Mean Academy. And we are working on a course and consolidating all of my knowledge, all of my experience, my systems, my methodology, compressing 2 decades worth of information. We are putting out a course that is going to be a game changer for so many of you. This is not an entry level, how to wash a house, how to set up your machine and what chemicals to buy. This is next level stuff. There's going to be a lot of trash talking about this. Bring it on. At the end of the day, we're going to take your business to the next level. You're making good money right now, right? That's awesome. Good money. I want you to make great money. Do you really want to be out on the truck in the summer with the heat, sweating, working hard, getting bleach in your eyes. In the winter, your hands are frostbitten because you're in the water. You're spraying, it's cold. No. And this course is going to take you to that next level. I don't want to be out doing that stuff. You know what I want to be doing? I want to be at the beach. I want to be out on the boat. I want to be hanging out with my family. I want to be watching my kids play soccer, play lacrosse. I want to be available and present. I want to be focusing on the business. I want to be taking all of the things that I'm getting in this course, implement them, and make my business that much more efficient. I want to be training employees. I want to be hiring employees. I want to be scaling my business so I have a future, so I have a retirement, so I'm not working in the business, I'm running the business. And that's what this course is going to do for you. This is the next level. These are the things that are going to take you to the next level. I'm excited about it. Keep watching. We'll let you know when it comes out.